everyone. In this video, under connectives, let me see something about what is exclusive OR in detail. Let P and Q be two statement formulas. Then the formula P del Q, in which the connective here del is called the exclusive OR. Here P del Q is true when both P and Q has different truth values. So let me construct a truth table for which the first column consists of P, second column consists of Q, and the last one B del Q. So for the two variables we have four set of possible truth values: true, 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 false, false, true, and false, false. So P del Q takes the truth value for different truth values of P and Q. So for these two cases alone you have true. For these two cases you have the truth value false for the connective exclusive OR.